Every day I practice the Feldenkrais method. When I get up in the morning, I roll out of bed, I lie on the floor, and I move in some way. You could think of a cat getting ready for the day. Oftentimes kitty cats stretch or they move. Well, in the Feldenkrais method, we don't stretch, but we move gently and fully so that our entire self, our nervous system and all the joints in our bodies and the neuromuscular self gets ready for the day. And that creates a better mood. It creates optimism and hopefulness. It gets rid of aches and pains. So I start the day with movement. And in the course of the day, I often take a break by lying down for 10 minutes here or there, moving around, and it's refreshing. Sometimes I even do that. The television can be on, and I'll roll around on the living room floor because I'd rather move than be still.